Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do picture in picture on YouTube in iPhone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Apple App Store and search for YouTube, and you need to update your YouTube application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on your channel icon in the top right, and then you need to go into the settings and go into the general, and here you can find options of picture in picture. But if that option is not available, you need to wait because this option is rolling out soon for all users. So this is a process by which you can do picture in picture on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.